Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix or unlock any smartphone or Android device at your home with the help of PC or laptops. So right now it's asking verify PIN. We don't know what's the actual screen passcode. So here is option that use my Google account instead also. So if we go for inside of it, then it's asking a Gmail that is linked with this device. So either we don't know a screen passcode or we don't know Gmail accounts linked to the particular with this device. So how do I easily terminate it? Just we will see live. So don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be very crucial, guys. Now, firstly, we will go for run as administration, that is especially for you key for Android especially. Now we have two choices that I have already mentioned to you here. Just we can see here. If we go for next, if we go for here, next, now see here, it will demand you a screen passcode. So we don't have a screen passcode, so here use my account instead. So we have both choices. Either we can remove the screen passcode or we will remove especially via that, especially Gmail. Yeah. So right now here, what we will do, guys, here, just let's come especially in the screen passcode and easily this will be terminated. So how it is, just we will tap on it. Now it's asking here to remove it simply. So it has automatically detected and we will go for a start it. So let's see. Now if we click on here, then everything will be erased and these things. So now see, it's going to the remove. Fine. Now here it's asking especially see power button and etc. This guideline we will have to follow. So to press the long button of power and the phone here, what we will do, then it's asking especially power button plus down button and the phone. Yes, we will have to select the fast boot mode and then of course volume button. So let's say easily with practically we will see, then of course this will be very easy. So just we will hold a especially this power key and thereupon of course we will go, here is a power key and thereupon now see here, sorry, just let me have and we will set downs and thereupon of course power with down volumes. Press this one both together, power with down volume. So we are here now. It's asking the third option what? That is especially fast. Especially we will have to select the recovery mode. So fine, we will select here the recovery mode. So how would I? By tapping here, just to see. Yes, by selecting power of not. So especially we will select the especially recovery mode. And thereupon of course we will go for next set. See that we can. Here. Now what we will do, just we will go for here, select the next and now successfully it has removed. And now see here what we will do here. Now once again we will come on a especially normal mode. Let's see. Yes, we will keep holding these ones and the so now it has started. Let's see what's going to happen further. Now we are on a command mode. Yes, once again we will come on here. Just keep holding the power key so that yes we will come on once again in a normal mode. Fine. Now we come once again on a normal mode. Let it start. So within 5 to 10 minutes, guys, you can unlock at your home with the help of PC or laptop. So now it's restarting and the further we will see here. We will have to wait here. Now finally it has started, guys. So either it is a Samsung, Motorola, Vivo, OPPO, of course all the devices in this can be terminated. Either it is a screen passcode or Gmail accounts. Anyone out of them, if you unlock them successfully, it will be. Now that we can see here. Now finally here we will accept the term and conditions once again, and we will go for here. Now here just we will click here can't this, and now here is a directly option given. Now we can see skip or go for next. So here we'll have to select this option, that is skip. So if we go for skip, here also we will go for skip, and easily this is permanently removed guys here. Now see here we'll have to accept the term and conditions, of course, once again. Let's see. Now it is asking so that set up a password. We don't want to set up, so just we will go for skip. Now we will go for OK, and let's see. Now it's once again getting ready. Now we can see here guys. Yes, we will go for here to next. Yes, we will have to here. See, it's asking especially let's in touch and etc. these things. So here what we will have to do, just we will have to go for make it disable, then we will go for next. Now of course we will go for next, and we will go for next, and we will go for next. Now let's dance. Everything is now. See, this is completely unlocked guys. What do you say guys? So of course, to know more information about this tool, of course you can visit on this website, that is For You Key for Android Unlocker. This is especially designed to unlock Samsung, OPPO, MI, Vivo, of course, and very important things that you can apply this also especially on Android 16 supported. So fully, either you would like to especially screen passcode removal or FRP. By both way, of course, you can unlock. So this is all about guys. For the more inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be managed to reply your query. Thank you for staying at the end of this tutorial. Hi, this is Technology Welfare, and I will be back with step by step with new tutorial. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. May be beneficial for someone who is having life to have this kind of information. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great night. Bye bye.